Hello, dear. It seems you extract data using OpenNC file and ArcGIS, and you have different result. Now I want to show you which of them is correct. And this is your coordinate, the coordinate of your stations, and you should find the cell agent from the panoply file. First of all, we should find the latitude agent. It means this is the your latitude, and we should find the value for this value. And now I can find, maybe we should change to three decimal values. This value maybe is correct for you. Your latitude is between this and this. So this is your cell agent. Okay. 38 point. Also, maybe now we should find the longitude values, and this is your long. We should find the longitude value, and maybe this we should change the to 3F. This is 2637. 2636. So your station is between these values in this grid. The agent of your cell is, now we can find the first cell of your data, which of them is correct. Now we can find your value, maybe the first one. Again, we should change this, and this is latitude, and I can find it here, maybe this value. This is your cells, your lat cells, and now we can find the longitude cell. This is the longitude cell. This is your longitude cell. So this value is correct. You can change. This value is correct. 5.50, 5.5, this value. Okay. So the OpenSCFR result is correct and ArcGIS is not correct. But it is not that your station is in border of the cells, but this value is certainly correct. Bye.